Yeah.
So the next question is, I love Jesus because.
Why
Why do you?
he's beautiful.
Okay.
Because he gives me Chinese food.
Okay.
And he loves that.
And what else? Quickly,
Because
Miguel.
he's strong.
Okay, why else do you love God?
Because he gives me a mermaid tail.
Because he gives you a mermaid's tail
A mermaid brain.
in your dreams.
Oh, he gives me.
Shh, what? Okay, so
But one more thing.
what?
It's like Karate Kid.
What about Jesus?
Jesus, dummy.
Who is Jesus?
God.
And who is God?
Jesus.
And who is Jesus? What,
God,
what did he do for you?
he said to me,
He gives you stuff, and what else does he do for you?
you sting my butt.
He will punish you when you're wrong. What else does he do? What did he do for you?
He gave me some money.
Where'd he die?
He died.
Where did he die?
Have a candle.
Did he die on the cross?
Of the sea.
The Sea of Galilee. But did he die on the cross so that you could live? Yeah. Where does Jesus live now?
Oh, the sky.
In the sky, and that's called what? It's called heaven. And he also lives where? In your...
Hi.
Yes, okay?
Next time.
Yeah, signing off.